Well, if you're watching this, it's most likely, and I would hope that it's on Thanksgiving Day. And ultimately, guys, this is video, just allowing me to express my gratitude towards all of you. I got a few people that I would like to thank because, I don't know, it's just something about this time of year that really has you sit back and realize just how many people do love and support you. And, I don't know, it's just been throughout all the crazy times that this channel has had, that We Trade HQ has had. I think that a day like today, just makes me realize that, I have a lot to be thankful for, and I just wanted to kind of like express that to you guys. So first and foremost, I just want to thank you, the subscribers. For those of you who have been there since day one, for those of you who are still with me, I just want to say thank you. It's been 2.5 years since I've been on YouTube. Can you believe it? And I'm getting ready to cross over 10,000 subscribers. It's been crazy. If you would have told me that I would have had 10,000 subscribers 2.5 years ago on YouTube, or that I would be making a living doing what it is that I do, and that I loving it every minute of it, I would tell you were nuts, and that I would still probably be, miserable in my 9-to-5 job. And it's just been an incredible journey, and that all starts with you guys, people who watch my videos and support me every single day. Just thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. Secondly, I just want to thank the volunteers that give their blood, sweat, and tears on We Trade HQ, within all of our Discord servers, the moderators there that get paid no dollars to just help out a community and be there for all of us. We literally could not survive without you guys. You guys, just go above and beyond to help us out and really kind of make sure that the ship stays in the right direction. And it really, when it comes to starting a business, when it comes to, just really starting to build a community, it really all kind of lays on you guys, the volunteers. So I just wanted to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. I know that Jake and Christian also expressed the same type of gratitude. We really couldn't do this without you. So I just wanted to say thank you for seeing our vision. Thank you for understanding, the process and the growth that we're going through, and really just kind of just being there for us. We really appreciate it. So thank you so much for just volunteering your time and building our community. We really appreciate it. Next, I just want to say thank you to Christian and Jake from the bottom of my heart. For Jake, for seeing the value that I could bring to something like We Trade HQ. Jake and I have been partners now for, going on 2 years. It'll be 2 years in the springtime, and we've had ups and downs just like any other business. The process in which you build a business is unlike any other. There is no cookie cutter way to get to the top. There is no way that you have to follow to get to success. And Jake and I are just figuring this out as we go, and it's been pretty awesome. So, buddy, I just want to thank you for building We Trade HQ, for being there, sticking with me through thick and thin. It's been a great ride, buddy, and I wouldn't do it with anybody else. Having said that, Christian, who's also our chief strategy officer within We Trade HQ and helps me throughout the channel. You guys have seen him on the broadcast. He really is an amazing guy. So Christian, thank you so much for your mentorship, your friendship, and for believing in us and supporting us throughout this whole venture. We definitely couldn't have done it without you, and I'm looking forward to the years to come and where we stand moving into the future. So thanks again, man. Lastly, I just want to thank my family and loved ones. Being an entrepreneur is not easy. It requires a lot of sacrifice. It requires a lot of time away. Skipping out early on holidays and making sure that things run right, and all the stress and mood swings because of stress and anxiety. Thank you so much for putting up with my shenanigans, and I promise that it will eventually be all worth it. And really, honestly, just believing in me. If you guys don't know anything about me, I actually am very anxiety ridden when it came to just leaving my 9-to-5 job, leaving that security. I think that there's this misconception that there's all these people out here, all these entrepreneurs that just jumped, right? They just jumped and started their own business without a care in the world, and they were just confident right out of the gate. Well, something that you need to know about me is that I'm not like that. Well, at least I didn't used to be like that. I'm a little bit more comfortable with it now because I've now made the jump, and so the next jump and the jump after that seemed to be a little bit easier than that first one. But it was a very big struggle for me to make that decision to just take this leap and really start my own business and really start this channel. It's been a really great ride. I don't regret anything as far as leaving my job and pursuing this venture, and it's been an awesome adventure. And for those of you who have walked through this with me and have just kind of been my support through all this time, I just want to say thank you so much. In that, you don't get the kind of recognition that you deserve, but I promise that I'll work on doing a better job at that as well. And that's it for me, guys. Hopefully you understand from the bottom of my heart that I really do appreciate all the love and support that you give to me. Here's to the next 10,000 subscribers. And yeah, that's all I got, guys. I hope you have a great Thanksgiving. I hope that you stay safe. If you're flying, if you're driving, don't do anything stupid, because I'm going to see you on Stock Watch Sunday at 8:30 p.m. Eastern Time. So that's going to do it for me, guys. Thank you so much. Enjoy your Thanksgiving, and B. Smith is out. If you're a beginner trader, you've probably heard about scanners and how they can help you find stocks to trade. Well, it's a really overwhelming process. So I'm going to use TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim platform to help you find these pre-market movers before the rest of the market finds them. All that and more